Hello guys, my name is Ram and today we are going to install Tadiran Unix on virtual machine. Before installing Unix, let me give you a brief introduction of what is Unix. Unix is a software only communication solution which provide you unified communication and collaboration on a single platform. It provides you call control service, it provides you call center service for all your call center solution needs. It provides you voicemail service. It provides you IVR and SIP based unified messaging. It also gives you automatic call distribution, conferencing and many other features. So we are installing standalone installation of version 3 of Unix. The dedicated server hardware requirement will be Dell R210, 320, 420 and 620 for up to 1000 and 3000 endpoints. Unix is a VMware certified and can run on any server which are compatible with ESXi 5.0 or higher. I am using Dell 330 for my lab environment. Talking about the scalability, version 3 or up, one server will support up to 3125 user, and in one cluster we can use 8 server, which can be a combination of any physical or virtual servers. In a cluster we can make up to 25,000 endpoints, and it can be provided by only one software. We need 3 DVDs, first for CentOS or operating system installation, and second will be the Unix, and third will be the voicemail and Unix contact center. Today we are going to install Unix only. For Unix version 3 and above, we need 64-bit operating system. For version up to 3, we could use 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. On a new installation, we need 3 DVDs. Every installation will install CentOS, Unix and CMail. The default IP will be 10.0.0.50, which we can change later. The initial installation will grant you unlimited 30-day trial license, which give you permission to access Unix admin, ACC and CMail or voicemail. As you can see on the license page, there will be a unlimited license for all the users and all the services. So let's begin installation. Here I have CentOS disk 1 and Unix disk 2. I am extracting disk 2 and I am taking out the setup file, and I am going to install from this file only. Now open your virtual machine and go to the storage section. First we have to upload the CentOS operating system onto the virtual machine. Now go to your virtual machine and create a new virtual machine. Give any name to your virtual machine. I am giving it Unix. Since CentOS is a Linux based operating system, I am selecting Linux. Click next. I am selecting 3 CPUs for faster installation, and I am taking RAM of 8 GB for my machine. Here I am selecting 100 GB of hard disk, and I am going to thin provision it so that it will take space that it needs only. Now I am selecting host file. I am selecting CentOS, then click next, finish. Now we have to start our machine. Just click on power on button and follow the process. Click enter. It will take some time for installation of CentOS. It's creating file systems. Now it's installing all the packages which are required to install Unix. As this is a CentOS modified version by the Tadiran. It's almost completed. Now click on reboot. The system is restarting. It's checking all the installations of the packages. Now you can see there is a default IP address 10.0.0.50. I will change it now, or we can change it later also. I'm taking subnet to 55255.255.0 and the default router will be 192.168.1.1. click enter and give your server any name, click enter. Now it will restart again. Finish. Login name will be root and password will be ANX406729. ANX will be in capital, uppercase. Now we have to open secure shell and connect to this Unix server. Username is Unix admin. Click yes, and password is ANX in lowercase. Type pwd. We are in directory home Unix admin. Do ls. We don't have any file in this directory Unix admin. Now connect file transfer SSH, and we have to transfer the setup file in this directory. It will again take some time for file transfer. Let me try to increase the fonts size. The file transfer is completed. Now do ls, and we can see this setup file in this Unix admin directory. Now do ls -l, and we can see read write and execute permission of this file. Now do chmod 777 and the setup file name. Click enter. Now do again ls -l. We can see now it have read write and execute permission. Now we have to do su minus to get the sudo privilege. Now we can run this setup file. Go to the cd home and Unix admin directory. Now do ls. Yeah, we are in the correct directory. Now execute the file ./ and the setup file name. Click enter. It will take some time for installation. You can see the IP address which we provided, 192.168.1.150. Click enter. Type yes. Type yes. enter, and the installation is started for Unix. We can install Unix from iOS DVD also, but I find this a easy process for installation. Server installed successfully. Now it's asking for cluster installation. We have to do simply no and click enter. Now restart the system. Go to our virtual machine. You can see that the system is restarting. Type login name root and password is ANX406729 in uppercase. Do ls. Now we have to check the services of Unix. Do service Unix status, and we can see all the service are running. Go to your browser and type the IP address of Unix which you gave. $8080/Unix. Enter. The web interface is open now. Type the username Unix admin and password is ANX lowercase. Click on login. This is the first page. We have to accept. Click next. Click next. Now select your time zone. As I'm in India, I'm selecting my time zone 5:30 plus 5:30. Next, you can see the password is ANX and SIP default password is Unix123. Click next. Select your country. Select your area. Click next. Then click finish. The server is going to restart again. Please wait. It will take 1 to 3 minutes for restarting. The server is up now. Type username and password ANX. Click on login. The configuration is successfully installed. Now we can see the license. There is unlimited license as I saw on the slide. On the administration menu, you can see You can add users, you can add trunk, you can see all the services in the service list. I will going to show you how to install IP phones and Unix gateway on my next video. Thank you.